The power stage. For this event, the team
starts left of a crest, 80. Good luck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Left of a crest, 80. Slight left, 40. Left of a crest, 30. Keep right into 6 left. Tightens of a crest, 50. Crest into 3 left. Into 6 right of a crest. And 5 left. Into 6 right of a crest. And 3 left of a crest, 50. 4 right. To 2 left of a crest and right of a crest. 2 left short into 6 right of a crest, 50. 4 right, 50. 3 right into 3 left of a crest, into left of a crest, 30. 5 right, past junction, 4 left of a crest, 30. Late, 3 right of a crest, opens, 60. 5 right, 40. 3 left, tightens, 30, 3 left, 30. 6 left of crest, into sudden, 4 right, 40, 5 right, into 3 left, tightens, and 3 right, opens. Late 4 left, tightens, into 6 right, into 6 left, 50. 3 left, past junction, 40, 3 right short, 60, through junction, 6 right, half long, 40. Caution, 5 left of a crest, sudden 4 right, into left of a jump, to slight right, and square left, 30, right of a crest, and 2 right, into 3 left of a crest, to 4 right, into crest, and square left, opens, to small crest, and happy right, 50. Slight right, 30, 5 left of a jump, and slight right, into crest, into 5 right, and 3 left short, into slight right, and 4 left, 40. Short, 4 right, 4 left of a crest, 70. 3 left, tightens of a crest, into 3 right, through dip, 30. 5 right, into crest, into 3 left, 50, crest, and 3 right, tightens, into 3 left of a crest, into slight right, into 4 left of a jump, 30, turn, square left, 90, slight right, slight left, 40, 3 right of the crest, opens, 50, 4 left sharp, 40, 3 left short, and square right, don't cut, and 4 left, into 5 right, into 5 left, and slight right, 60, 4 left of a crest, half long, and right of a crest, into 6 right of the crest, and slight right, over bumps, 90, slight right, 50, 5 left, 40, 4 right, and 3 left sharp, over crest, don't cut, and 3 right, 50. 2 right, 30, 1 left, 40. Caution, 5 right, into left of a jump, and 3 left, and 1 right, 30. 2 left of a crest, 40. 3 right, into 6 left of a crest, and turn 4 left onto tarmac, and 5 right of a crest, don't cut, 30, 6 left, 70. 4 left of a crest, tightens, 30. 2 right, long, and crest, to 1 left, don't cut, 40. 3 right, to 4 left, don't cut, and 5 right, into 3 left, tightens, and 2 right short, 30, turn, square right, to 4 left, don't cut, 30, square right, 30, square left, 40, slight right, to slight left of a crest, 50, 5 right, half long, tightens, 40, 6 left of the crest, opens 60. Slowing 6 left and late, square right 40. Late 5 right, half long, late hairpin left, rough 30. 6 right. Into crest, into 6 left, 50. Slight right to the jump, 130. 6 right to the crest, 40. 5 left, into 6 right, long, tightens. 30. 4 left, with a bump, 40. 4 right short, into 5 left of the crest. 60. 4 left, 40. Slight right, 40. Crest. Sudden 2 left, 40. Caution, right to the crest. And late, 1 right, over finish to stop. Okay, that's a 6 minute 0.0.
A fantastic event now comes to an end. Hopefully the leaderboard reflects each crew's ambitions. There will be celebrations all round for these 3 crews. Fantastic driving from all involved, and it bags each of them a spot on this event podium.
Left of the crest.